In real estate, there's multiple things you can do, but let's focus on these 3 things. Right now, in this economy of uncertainty, you want to have the safest risk. And how do you have the safest risk? You have to take calculated risk. How do you take calculated risk? Well, you want to be able to educate on whatever it is you're doing. So you want to educate yourself to make sure it's safe. Now, starting off this video with the 3 things that you need to invest in, I'm going to say the first one is land. The reason why, in every major city, there's a housing crisis. Not only the cost, but a shortage of houses. So you want to buy land, guys. Buy land, buy dirt, okay? If on the outskirts of downtown, if it's already transitioning, then what you do, you just go further out than the outskirts of downtown in those neighborhoods next to those and just pick up dirt. Ideally, if you can pick up dirt, 5, 10,000, 15, 20,000 and just hold it. Sit back and hold it. And what happens is you should be in the path of progress. And with you being in the path of progress, everybody else is going to do the work. You're going to own the land. And what's going to happen is your value will go up, 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 up. And guys, I have literally bought lots for $6,000 and then a year later I'm selling that same lot for $40,000. Why? Because all the progress was coming through. Okay, and you can do the same thing. So number 1, you want to invest in land. Number 2, okay, the Airbnb business, right? The Airbnb business is a transactional business, meaning it's more of a job, it's not necessarily a passive investment. However, I'm seeing people be able to create $10,000, $15,000 a month in income by doing Airbnb, whether they're owning them or they're doing the arbitrage. And the reason why I say you should invest in this niche is because by investing your time in this niche and putting money into this niche, you can exit your job, right? So you can exit your job, because I'm seeing this going on a lot, right? And you exit your job and then you have a full-time income of making $10,000 to $15,000. Now, the Airbnbs you should invest in my personal opinion, this is where I'm going to get a little bit more granular. I think that you should go after the affordable market, right? Not the high-end Airbnb market, more of the affordable market. If you do the high-end, make sure you do your research and educate yourself. The reason why, even though we're transitioning to a recession, there's a lot of uncertainty in the economy, I think with affordable Airbnbs, they will still do well in major cities. I have a $90 a night Airbnb, and let me tell you guys, it was times in February I want to have nothing on my calendar. One person book, boom, boom, everybody else book. And it's just been like that. I've been getting a consistent flow, even though nationally Airbnbs are not doing well. And the people who bought based off just running Airbnb numbers, yes, they are in trouble. However, being that I have an affordable price point of $90, mine still gets booked out and I'm still making more than a traditional rental. Okay, so I definitely think you should look into Airbnb. Now, $90 is affordable for the city that I am in. However, $150 may be where you're at. Like if I had something in Charlotte for $150 a night, $200 a night, it still may do well. Like I know somebody that has an Airbnb for $515 a night. However, the house has about, I believe, 5 or 6 bedrooms and 2,400 square feet. So it can host large parties, so people like that, and it's always booked up. Make sure you do your research, but I think that's a strong investment in this environment. The reason why travel nurses, pilots, flight attendants, construction workers, because this is going on in every major city, because this is who I'm getting. Construction workers, people doing contract work, they will keep your place booked. It's not just your traditional leisure travelers. Okay, last but not least, I definitely think you should invest in houses, right? In real estate. I don't think you should buy full price, okay? I don't think you should buy full price. It's all about you literally make your money where you buy. I know you guys probably heard that 50 million times, but that's literally the name of the game. So if you're getting a house for $100,000, you want to be able to buy it for 50, put 20 into it. Now you're 70% all in, or 75% all in is where you want to be in your max. So regardless of what the market does, yeah, some of your equity on paper might get ate up, but your cash flow and everything else is still doing well. And then when the market bounces back up, that paper number just goes up, up, and up, and up. All right, guys, especially if you're in the major city. So you want to be able to buy right? And those are the three things that I think that you should invest in, and this real estate uncertainty that's going on right now. Okay, so, we went over land being number one, Airbnb number two, traditional houses at the right prices, right? Guys, you want to get in at the right prices. Okay, guys, so what I'm going to do at this point, make sure you watch this Airbnb video I'm going to put up next to me, and how this person is killing it, how you can kill it too. Hopefully it's helpful. And again, guys, make sure, I'm going to put my link below to register for my free masterclass this Sunday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm gonna put that in the description, right? So look for that in the description, and I will see you there. I'm Nasser, aka the Real Estate Guru. I'm not a guru, I'm a doer, because I actually do this business. Peace.